everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Hoover Power Pet Go, and it is for spills and pet stains. I'm actually going to be cleaning off one of my mattresses. It was a brand new mattress, and we had some friends staying over, and I don't know if, because they had a little boy, I don't know if he peed on the bed or something, but I was unaware that there was a stain on the bed until I went to go wash the sheets after they left. So today I will be actually cleaning up the stain, which is fine. It's cleanable. It's okay. And I'm going to be using this OXY Pet Spot Stain Remover that you can actually buy with it. It's an instant cleaning action on pet messes and stains. Okay, so what you do, let me go ahead and get closer. So this is actually the tank where all the solution will go. This is where you put the solution to start out with. So let's go ahead and fill this up. You just unscrew the lid. I'm just going to take this. So I'm just going to fill it up, and there's a line right here that tells you how full you can actually fill it. So I'm just going to go, it's pretty much all the way to the top. So about right there, just screw this back on. And pop it back in. Like so. And I'm just going to put the lid back on. And it did it came with this and then two other solutions as well, two smaller ones. Okay. And I just need to plug it in. And I'm going to show you the stain, and I'm going to show you how it works. So it did come with just like regular scrubbing bristles. I actually used this yesterday on some Play-Doh that my son spilled all over the floor and got into the carpet. So I actually did use it yesterday, and it worked really well. But it came with these two solutions as well. I used this one yesterday. This. And then it came with a little it's like a silicone brush, and it's supposed to be for getting like deeper into the carpet when you're cleaning, but these are the other two solutions that it came with. And then this was the big one. So pretty cool. This actually retails for about $90, and it is just for spot cleaning. Like, the solution runs out super quick, so for little spills and stuff like that, it's not something that you would want to shampoo your entire house by any means. It's just for spot cleaning. And I'm going to show you the stains, and I'm going to start cleaning them. It has a spray buttons down here, and then you just move it back and forth. You can take off the nozzle just by pressing that button right there, and then it just slides right back on. So I'm going to move the camera down and show you these stains. Okay. So I don't know if you, I'm actually sitting on it, if you can see this. This is a huge stain, and I'm guessing, because they lived with us for about 6 months, I'm guessing that it happened multiple times, because there's a spot right there and a spot right there, and the stain was actually on the mattress cover. I don't know how it went through the mattress cover, but it did. So I'm going to start cleaning this. So I'm going to turn it on. It's going to be really loud, so you will not be able to hear me. I'm just going to show you how well this works. So this stain is actually really, really hard to get out. Like, I got the majority of it out, but there are still some lines that just will not come out. And I've applied a lot of solution, and then I actually applied some water too to maybe set, like, after I let it sit for a little bit, and it's still it is not wanting to come out. So I'm thinking that if you have a dog and it pees and you have like white carpet or something, if you let it sit for a while, that pee is not coming out. I suggest get one of these before you let it set, because like I don't know what to do. Does anybody have any tips on how I could actually get this out? Like what I could put on it? I don't know if bleach would work or if it'll ruin the mattress, because this is like a brand new mattress. So I don't want to ruin the mattress, which is why I went for this. I do have a mattress cover. I don't even know how the pee stain went through this. He was just like a 3-year-old little boy or 4-year-old little boy that did it. So I think that's why the spots are so big. But yeah, I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna turn on the fan and let this dry to see if it lightens anymore. But that's all I can do, because I've like literally the water's coming out pretty clear now. Like it's not really, nothing else is coming out. The rest is all just stain. As you can see, the first time I went through it, the water was a lot darker. As you can see, it's just slightly dark. It's more like sudsy looking. So I don't know. I think that's pretty much all I can do at this point. Like I said, I will come back later to see if, when it's dry, if it looks any lighter than it did before. I know I can already tell that it is lighter than it was when I first started, but it's not what I was hoping for, to be exactly honest, but we will see when it dries. So to complete this video, the stain did lighten a lot. I actually already put the mattress cover and everything back on the mattress, but it did work like a lot better than I thought it did. After it had dried and everything, I can tell that it was a ton lighter, because that stain was actually really, really dark. So it's a lot better than what it was. It wasn't, I mean, it didn't take it out completely, but it's a lot better. I might want to add, I have used this on different spots in my house, like when the kids actually spill something, and it removes those completely. Like it'll actually be a lot whiter in the parts that I clean than the rest of my carpet, which meaning I need to buy just a standard shampooer, because mine broke. My floor, I mean, you can see it needs to be shampooed. It's not like horrible, but I'm like a clean freak, so I like it to be white. Like I like to feel like it's clean. So I will have to buy one. I'm actually going to get the Hoover. It's like the maroon colored one. It's really good. I actually borrowed my friend's and it worked so amazing. I'm going to be buying that one, and I'll actually do a review on that one as well. But yeah, this is good for spot cleaning. I enjoy it. I think it's a great buy, and I would highly recommend it. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.